Hello traders, this is morning before FOMC on July 9th. In front of you, critical key Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone on S&P playing out live. Intelligent trader understands it's a retail chart, it's a junky retail pullback. But this is the power of the system of white traders globally trading systems on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Institutional buy point was identified hours and days in advance. Market been bought with vengeance at key institutional buy points for the last 2 days and European Open. Right now we are in drastically different place. Absolutely no software on this chart, none is present. You have Fibonacci retracement tool, you apply the levels and apply the strategies you choose to trade. So while we're monitoring S&P in bearish correction, let's discuss what to expect for FOMC and what to expect on oil. Oil news in 24 minutes. So let me show you how you prepare for major news with Alpha Fibonacci System, as I love bringing oil news to the trading room. This is critical key retail chart. Oil already sold off from reversal zone. And again, you can back the system going back years. When you're looking on key institutional chart, this is where oil crushed from despite war in Ukraine, despite US bombing Iran. Catastrophic crash, correct? So please pay attention to what's happening on oil now. This is critical key level to the upside. This is a chart present in front of you for years. So intelligent trader understands buyers are weak on oil. This level is out, oil crashing to this level. This level is out, oil collapsing here and here. So please pay attention how you can backtest institutional chart as JP Morgan traders trading Alpha Fibonacci System. I am bringing to your attention oil chart going back to... Why don't we go back all the way to January? Here we are, pure and simple. Oil stuck in the middle of nowhere, chopping in pain. Intelligent trader understands fight is on between this and this level. An intelligent trader knows months in advance. This is where you're monitoring for short and this is where you're monitoring for long. Our student in Saudi Arabia ecstatic to buy oil at the bottom. Did you know they're not allowed to short the markets, only to buy? Would you like to live in that world? So here oil skyrockets. Pay attention, please. Here's the end of March. Oil heading higher until reversal zone, correct? Here we go. End of April. Oil selling off, correct? And you're extremely clear where selling pressure came from. You're extremely excited to buy oil at the bottom. This is 3 months before US bombed Iran. Alpha Fibonacci System allows you to buy the bottom and sell the top as intelligent strategic trader, correct? So here we are. By the end of June, bullish rally is on until it's not. Shocker. US bombing Iran and everyone expecting oil skyrocket. But right after the bombing of Iran, oil in free fall. It's a catastrophic sell-off on oil. So all the gamblers who've been buying oil because US bombed Iran learned their lesson. Oil collapsed from 80, 78 until, pay attention, as intelligent trader understands what to expect next as we're discussing in classes. There is only one thing that's stopping sell-off on oil is this level. This is lifeline on oil, 65. 65 is out, oil in free fall. The structure on oil is identical to US dollar. Catastrophic sell-off on US dollar from 148 until 135. To the upside, US dollar is struggling to break through this level. So if you're trading commodities such as oil, or if you're trading gold, that's stuck in bearish correction, lifeline on gold 31.58. Again, how to trade this we discuss in live classes. You cannot gamble and speculate and throw random trades. This is rule-based, predictive and precise proprietary system. You can trade it empty for empty fight. You can trade euro, as euro skyrocketed despite war in Ukraine, despite war in the Middle East, despite war getting worse. From 96 until 118. Biggest rally on euro in 20 years. That's it. Pure and simple. So that's a very important lesson on oil. Catastrophic crash despite US bombing Iran. This is retail reversal zone where oil sold off from. So if I bring to your attention retail chart going back to Sunday. Here we are. You know far in advance where oil heading to. Here's oil chart on Tuesday. Let's convert this chart to 5, to 10, to 15, to any chart you choose to trade. Selling pressure is on with vengeance. That's it. And that's identical chart from institutional to retail. So before oil news, I'm converting this chart to 1 minute. Here is oil this morning. Again, oil already sold off from retail reversal zone and keeps selling off. Sell off overextended. 65 is a lifeline on oil. 65 is the most important level this morning. Selling pressure is on with vengeance on oil. How to trade this we discuss in live classes. So the lessons on oil despite US bombing Iran is a stunning lesson. Identical event played out on Amazon. Has anyone expected Amazon to collapse from 242 until, my goodness, 161? Oops. No matter what you trade, you respect the rules and understand. This is predictive system. Identifies buy and sell points well before earnings, well before news on any instrument you choose to trade. Phenomenal bullish rally on Nvidia skyrocketed from reversal zone. Tesla collapses catastrophic on Tesla from 452 until here. But what was so powerful about this, as we discussed this in classes, well before horrific earnings, we knew to buy, not to sell Tesla. Both earnings in the last 6 months are horrible. But Tesla skyrocketed from 219 until 350 plus. And that's a lesson on stocks, on Forex. Here comes crypto. Bitcoin collapsed from catastrophic reversal zone until decision point 1. What was so powerful on this? Because this is identical event that played out on S&P this week. Correct? It's all the same. When I started building systems in 2004, it's been more than 20 years, I recognized by complete mistake. When I thought I was looking at Russell, but I was looking at S&P, I went, oh my God, it is all the same. When you trade pure price, you can trade any instrument you choose. So if you decide to trade any instrument you choose, That's the power of the system. Any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Traders trading crypto on iPhones and sending me emails confirming such. On Bitcoin, this is critical key level. So as S&P stuck and frozen before oil news, and we knew it would, let's review my students' emails I receive as oil news in 15 minutes. I'm certainly flattered and I'm certainly honored to be bombarded by emails and calls from top financial institutions in this world. But those who know me well know why I value my freedom and why I love where I live, and I have zero interest working in cubicle in New York. So here we go. This is what my students accomplish all over the world. This is a trader I met with in London who made a movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute. Such big words, holy grail method of trading the markets. He's in London, but here's a trader in Moscow. Wow. One day, I will finally release my book. Trader in Moscow, trader in Kiev are friends. Wow. Helping war. But Ukrainians. Oops. But trader in Sydney comes to classes in the middle of the night to share his journey. Wow. This never, ever, ever gets old. But when Sue lost a fortune, trader in Dallas, but now trading it all. What's important to understand? This is the traders who lost fortunes before, and every single one of these traders trade different instrument, different time frame, different platform. But if complete beginner trader can do this, anyone can. Correct? When Pablo came to me, he didn't know and never pushed a button on his trading platform. But right now, Pablo is a top step trader. Boom! So when fathers bringing their children, husbands bringing their friends and their wives, and fathers bringing their children, it's an ultimate honor. And the reason I keep saying no to top financial institutions in the world. So when mom with two little babies on her arms can trade Nasdaq, and complete beginner trader can trade for a prop firm, and trader can retire trading the system, after losing a fortune before, anyone can. But this is one of the very latest events. Here we go. Michael been with me for 15 years. 15 years since day one. This is a photo that's 15 years old. He brought his daughter to me. She's 17 right now. She's been trading since 12. So when fathers bring in their children, and 14-year-old can trade this, and 12-year-old can trade this, anyone can. Today, the incredible trader who is here with us, who's been with me for the last 15 years, cannot get enough of the Alpha Fibonacci system. This is William and I. Boom. What else do you need to know? There is no limit to how much I can teach you. All I need you to do is to make an effort. And the skies are the limit. I just came back from Europe meeting with students. So wherever you are, if you are in New Jersey or London or California, as Michael and I just met again, we met 3 times in the last 15 years, or Texas, or Canada, or Spain, or Dallas, or London, or Sydney, or Melbourne, or Moscow, or Kiev. That's the reason I keep saying no. That's it. So use your limitless brain and stay out of the market when market is dead. Do we agree? And if you decide to add software to day trade futures, of course you can. Software comes with trade recognition software and multi-market scanners. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows before oil news, markets are frozen in pain. Only good thing that will play out, pull back until this level and price at FOMC at this level. This is where intelligent trader wants to be. So whatever instrument you decide to trade, on whatever platform, interactive brokers, crypto platforms, MT4, MT5, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, TradingView, only requirement, Fibonacci retracement tool, and your brilliant, intelligent effort. The sky's the limit, and you will know hours and days in advance where to buy and where to sell. So here comes oil news. Oil oversold. And again, before oil news, to remind you, you knew where to short oil from days in advance. Here we go again. Here's oil a day before, heading back up to reversal zone on July 8th. And here's the sell-off that played out in European session. Now oil oversold, 65 is a lifeline on oil. 65 is out, oil in free fall. How to trade this? You must know the rules. But shorting the top with institutions is intelligent thing to do on oil trade. Now oil in pain, sell-off overextended. Knowing where pain is present and knowing if oil fails to break through 68, buyers are worthless. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader knows that. That's it, pure and simple. 7 more minutes before oil news, intelligent trader clear. Buyers are coming with weakness, oil oversold. To the upside, this is key level. That's it. It's a junky bullish retail crawl. Absolutely no power on oil. None is present. So on scanner giving you short alert, you're extremely clear where it came from. After all, we are at the bold red zone and we've been monitoring this level very, very patiently. And again, before FOMC, if price at 62.65, please review this video after FOMC. Intelligent trader understands the power of this level. 62.60, 62.80 is institutional buy point. This is a bearish pullback 1 minute before oil news. As again, we're extremely clear where it came from. So if you decide to add the software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8, this is what's playing out right now. And again, lower we go before FOMC is better. Thank you, William. My joy and honor. Can't wait for our mentoring session. Can't wait for our mentoring session, Terry. Can't wait. On your right is also NASDAQ. Again, one of our incredible traders who is a prop firm trader loves trading NASDAQ. So whatever chart you choose to trade is absolutely your personal decision. You are prepared hours and days in advance. Here it comes. This is what we've been waiting for the entire morning. Both S&P and NASDAQ selling off across the board. Oil crawling up. So let's take a look what the oil news is, as we're extremely clear what to pay attention to, correct? Very dangerous bullish crawl. 68 is next. Oil news, extremely bearish. Huge oversupply on oil. Yes, that's it. And that's your intelligent trading. But oil crawling up. News is bearish, but oil crawling up. Again, traders, reflect on this. Did we know about bullish move on oil? Are you clear that this is catastrophic bearish news, but oil moving up? What happens to those who jump on random short? You're shorting reversal zone, you're shorting key levels. You're not jumping on random speculative trades, because if trading on the news worked, every person on the planet would be Bill Gates. It never does. Intelligent trader monitors 68 level. Oil skyrocketed after bullish news already from 67.70 until 68. Again, 68 is next. So again, as we were monitoring the entire morning, the reversal zone, everyone is clear where sellers came from, correct? No matter what chart you trade on S&P, no matter what chart you trade on Nasdaq, you know where to short from, you know where to buy from. So if I convert this chart on S&P to 325 to any chart, this is the event right now. Intelligent trader understands the importance of this level. But again, this is ideal before FOMC. So if you're done gambling and done speculating and ready to trade as intelligent trader, I look forward working with you. My students are my marketing superpower. Simply review everything on the website and choose the option appropriate for you. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. So when you listen to our traders podcasts from all over the world, you see very, very clearly, if complete beginner traders can do this, if children of hedge fund managers and students can do this, anyone can. Every trader trades different account, trades different background, and most of my students, older students, been struggling forever until they came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. So please listen to students' podcasts, view students' performance, and understand the sky's the limit if you make an effort. You make a personal decision on the instrument and time frame you want to trade. Currently offering savings $8,000 for private mentoring package. Every option includes video library modules, live classes, trading room. Group course, savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Every option includes lifetime system for all platforms. Option 2 and 4 include software to day trade futures for Ninja Trader 8 with multi-market scanner and trade recognition software. Any questions for me, simply pick up the phone and call. But please review the information on the website first. Thank you traders so much. It's been my joy and honor being here with you. As again, oil remains stuck in pain, S&P reaching key level. Nasdaq reached key level, drastically more important than on S&P. We'd love to see this level on S&P at the time of FOMC. And that's strategic intelligent trading for any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Choice is yours, what you will decide to trade. We will review all of this tomorrow after FOMC. Any questions, simply pick up the phone and call. I live and breathe what I do, and I look forward working with you.